coverage for your personal property, whether it be on a homeowner's, renter's, or condo policy, it's important to understand the basis of claim settlement. In the event of a claim or loss, the insurer will pay actual cash value, referred to as ACV, or replacement cost. This is an important distinction. Actual cash value is the depreciated value of an item of property at the time of the loss. This type of settlement does not allow you to replace what has been lost. Rather, it compensates you for the value of the item as if it were being sold, for example, at a garage sale. Replacement cost provides you with a payment equal to that which would be required to replace the lost items. It puts you at an advantage over ACV because it allows you to put yourself in the same position you were in prior to the loss. It provides you with the necessary money to replace your items. For example, if you have a TV that is 7 years old and it is lost as a result of the claim, if you have the ACV settlement option, you would be paid the cost of the TV when it was new minus 7 years of depreciation. However, if you have replacement cost settlement, you would be paid the amount that a brand new similar TV costs.